Hi guys, we are going to make some cheesy kielbasa potatoes today. And this was really fun because my husband really wanted to make the potatoes and onions like his grandma used to do when he used to sneak into her kitchen. So there's the recipe. You can screenshot it there or get it from the description below. And so we'll start right off with slicing up the onions really thin, and he kind of layered the onions and potatoes together in that olive oil. But they were really thin. So I think that was an important part. I tend to fail at getting potatoes nice brown crispiness on the bottom. And I guess that's a trick that he learned from his grandma, that you don't just keep flipping it all the time like I do. So he says, his grandma says the trick is to making fried onions and potatoes is that you only turn them over once. So you layer them in the oil and you put some salt and pepper in there. I don't think he measured it. It's just pretty much the amount that you would normally like, I guess, in potatoes and onions. And I had been wanting to make a kielbasa Swiss cheese thing with potatoes and onions. So I was tickled when he wanted to do the potatoes and onions from his grandma's recipe, because I'm like, cool, you can cook it. And, we'll just add in the kielbasa and the Swiss cheese and kind of combine our two ideas together. So it was really fun cooking together with him, as always. So it was about 27 minutes that he had that layer there cooking on a little bit below medium heat. And then he drained the excess olive oil, preferably not onto the countertop if you're doing this at home. But then he tossed in the kielbasa that we had already boiled and then browned, and gave it another 8 minutes or so. So this really turned out good. You just stick that Swiss cheese there, stick the lid on it, and it'll just melt off the heat. So it was another 3 to 5 minutes that we did that. And I don't think he wanted much Swiss cheese on his, and he definitely did not want sauerkraut. He's not a fan of sauerkraut. So I think if I was just doing this myself, for just me, I would put sauerkraut right in there with the kielbasa. But I just added it afterwards so it wouldn't contaminate his. So, I put some outtakes at the end of this too. There was a few funny things and me sneaking the food out, or funny things that he said. And so at the end, stick around for that. And I hope you give this a try. I just really enjoyed making it with him, and it's so delicious. There, you're recording. Go.
What is that? Dad, what is that? That's just a hole. It's okay. Turn it upside down till it turns brown. It's go time. It's show time. Five minutes later.
I hope you like it. Thanks for watching.